So I've been here before, and this is a big sort of cliff face, and there's a E82 Corolla here that I've known about. That's been here for years. But there's a new car that showed up, which looks to be a 3rd gen Commodore. So I'm going to have to go down off the cliff and check it out. So it's not a Commodore, it's an E46 BMW. I should notice I have one of these. That's where it was before. As you can see, not the easiest terrain to cross. There's a Corolla, which I've known about for a long time. This is a CSX model. It used to have wheels on it, some nice alloys, but they're gone now. Here's the E46 3 Series. So that would have just come crashing down from up there, I assume. This is pretty cool. It doesn't have a door. It doesn't look like it's been here too long. I haven't been here for a year or so. So it's the update E46. I've got the pre-update. You can tell from the headlights and the hood, slightly more rounded. See what motor it has. Twin cam 4-cylinder, so this would have been a 318i. Pity it's burnt. But yeah, really cool. As you can see, the wheels have all been melted. There's a little Corolla. But yeah, this is at the old Northern Brick Factory, so, well, technically Clackline Brick Factory. Okay, here's a Hyundai Excel X3, so the 3rd gen Excel, which looks to be a bush basher. It's down at the old brick factory, and I don't know if it's a dumped car or whether it's someone's car that they're going to come back for. I'm not sure. It's a twin cam with headers. It's a pretty fancy bush basher. And a pod filter, but it looks like the plugs have gone out, so my guess is it went through water and drowned itself. That's my guess anyway. It had hood pins at one point. So yeah, a little Excel.